Raban, ayon sa aking investigasyon, mukhang nagkakalamangan sa sweldo. Mas mababa ang sweldo ng mga kapatid nating Hindu at Kristiyano laban sa ating mga kapatid ng Muslim. Ito'y un-Islamic, Raban. Ano ba ang dapat? Dapat pantay-pantay. E di gawin mo yung dapat. As of today, we will increase 100%.
Muslims are good people.
Yes?
Can I visit your daughter? Gita? Gita!
Ji, Papa?
You have a visitor.
Papa, can we?
Shukriya! Shukriya! I'm glad your father allowed us to talk.
He's not usually like that.
I'm happy. Because I really want to be with you.
Are you sure?
I'm serious.
And what are you going to do with that?
Because you said it's useless. Because I'm Muslim and you are Hindu. But
But
I still want to take the chance.
what's wrong?
You just turned me down.
When we shake our heads, it means yes.
Yes? Really? Ano ba gusto mong mangyari? Bakit? May problema ba? Alam mo Muslim ka at Hindu siya. Bakit mo pinapasukan si Gita? Nagtuturo ka pa naman ng Sharia. At dapat alam mo yan. Alam mo, kung kailangan ko maging Hindu para sagutin niya, gagawin ko yun. Eh wala ka palang loyalty. Dati kang Kristiyano at naging Muslim ka. Ngayon naman gusto mong maging Hindu. Ginagamit mo lang ata ang reliyon sa sarili mo dahilan eh. Alam ko ah!
Ano ba? Tama na! Tama kayo! Tama na! Tama na sabi! Ano ba? Ano ba? Tama na! Rahim! Umalis ka na! Tama na! Dami ka na tama eh!
The Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world, the queen of architecture. Other buildings might be as famous, but no other is consistently admired for a beauty that is seen as both feminine and regal. The Taj Mahal is a tomb, the most famous product of the Mughal Empire of India. It enshrines the remains of the 5th emperor of the dynasty, Shah Jahan, and those of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. She died before him in 1631, and the construction of the complex began almost immediately. The tomb was intended initially and primarily for her, and this in turn has sparked the widespread interpretation of the building as the monument of love. Sweet, no?
Paano nga namatay yun?
Mumtaz died shortly after giving birth to their 14th child.
Kaya pala namatay.
Ikaw talaga, puro ka kalokohan. After her death, Shah Jahan dedicated all his time and almost all his treasures in building the Taj Mahal that made his sons fight and kill each other. He was imprisoned by his own son in a palace just across the Taj Mahal because his only wish is for him to see the tomb every second of his remaining life to his death, fulfilling his pledge of love to Mumtaz.
Linda, pakibukas naman yung lampshade.
Wala akong makita.
Marupol na yan. Hindi na styro. Masisira ang ipin ng unggoy dyan ngayon.
Ang sweet mo naman pala.
Wala pa yan. Buksan mo yung loob.
Ha?
Dahan-dahan.
Wow, ang ganda.
Happy Mansari. Handa ka na ba sa akin?
Ikaw yan na lang laging iniisip mo
Ano pa ba naman ang gusto mong isipin ko?
Bukas may regalo din ako sa'yo.
Ano ba yung regalo mo sa akin? Kailangan pa tayong mamundok.
Mahal mo ba ako?
Mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw, mahal mo ba ako?
Mahal. Na mahal. Na mahal kita. Halika. You may now kiss the bride. Ikaw ang bigay na may kapal. Tugon sa aking dasal upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon,
I love you.
ang ibigin ko.
Unang beses pa lang kita nakita. Sinabi ko na sa sarili ko, mahal kita.
Ikaw ang tanglaw sa bakit ka nangaaway?
Nangaaway ba ako?
Oo. Itong puso ko wala ni kahapimang
Style lang yun.
mapapalit. Ngayon kailanman ikaw ang lahat ng aking dalaw. Ang sanhi,
My wife.
my husband, in sickness and in health,
For richer and for poor.
till death do us part.
Pinakana